Potato, Boat here. Do you know what I hate? Everything! But more specifically, I hate how everyone keeps spelling my name wrong. I thought my name would be quite easy to spell, but you'd be amazed at how many people get it completely wrong. Do you know how to spell my name? If not, then kindly watch this demonstration. My name is Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. And it's not Bot, Pota, Boot, Potay, Goat, Moat, Bout, Boit, Borat, Bode, Bogey, Boron, Brian, Bartholomew, Potato, Botiddly Pop, Boats that float can't own a goat, Boat of Garton, Boats loathsome as can be, Bowowie-o-I-o-what, Broad-leaved, Bone, Brony, Bond James Bond, Gaviland Bond, Billy Bobtails, Cotta Ninetails, Equestrian Dream, Pickleox, Diddy Sweets, a small pile of badger droppings, Witchazuzu, Old MacDonald McAdam McFarm, Hi Diddly He, A Boat's of Life for Me, or Chris Addison. So there you have it. Now you know how to spell my name, and most importantly, how not to spell my name. So you better start spelling my name correctly, because if you don't, then I'll wait in your garden at night making strange noises. Ha 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 ha! I'll be back soon enough to tell you more things that I hate, but until then, I hate you so much. This isn't tea, this is water. This is still water.